What? What, Shaggy? What, Shaggy? Ouch! Ouch! What's going on? Maestra's back, as you can see. Time to play. I'll have to get up. Oh! Go get him, Maestra. Go get him. Go get him, Maestra. Ooh. So much. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I can't keep up with them. There's my bare spot in the grass that they've worn out. Get her, Shaggy, get her. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I need to clear out some furniture to make more room for the animals. Oh my goodness. I can't keep up with them. Y'all are going to get dizzy. Shaggy says, I have to rest. I'm not young like you, Maestra. Get her, Maestra. Get her, Maestra. They hear a hound dog mewling. What, Shaggy? Maestra's going to be here for 2 weeks. So Shaggy Ann will be happy. The cat's not so much. Though Chance doesn't care. Firefly's a little bit of a basket case. Well, I guess Shaggy Ann is tired. I think they're done. I think they're done. Let's go see. Let's go see. Are you tired? Did all that running around make you tired, huh? Gotta keep your eye on Maestra. Look at that purple tongue. Look at that cute face. Hey, Maestra. Hey, Maestra. We missed you. Yes, we did. And Shaggy gets a little jealous. Hello. Yes. You're not going to be jealous, are you? You're so cute, Shaggy. You're the cutest duck in the world. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Get her, Maestra. Hey, Maestra. Hey, Maestra. I know. I know. A little love, a little love. Two tired doggies. And a lot of heavy breathing.